guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you how you can achieve this fake long natural hair. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my rat tail comb. So what I'm going to do is I'll start by sectioning my hair from the center, exactly the way I'm doing. Just a straight line going all the way to the back. I want to wear, a middle part and a side part. So this is something new. I always love to wear my hair on the side, but I want to make sure, I have a really nice straight line. Alright, so I'm going to take my scrunchie and secure the other side. Then I'm going to take my rat tail comb and I'm just going to section a line and do a braid going all the way to the back. So this is just like basic cornrows, guys. So doing the cornrows takes me about 15 minutes and then about 30 minutes to do the crochet. So together, this whole style took me 45 minutes. Oh my gosh, this is easy peasy lemon squeezy. I just wanted to show you guys, like, you want to wear long hair, don't care, crochet style, you can actually do this. No tricks, nothing crazy to do when you're installing this hair, guys. It's very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. Just make sure they're not too tight because you want to make sure the crochet needle goes through as well as the braiding hair, okay? So I wanted to show you guys, like, you can actually achieve this fake hair, long hair, don't care kind of situation in 45 minutes and you are out the door. Sis, I'm telling you, 2022, we are changing the game, honey. We are changing the game. Once I'm done with the cornrows, I'm just gonna take my coconut oil and Jamaican black castor oil mixture and make sure I moisturize my scalp, because that's the most important part, sis. You better make sure you moisturize your scalp. Anyway, so I'm going to be using this Springy Afro twist hair, and this is X-pression hair. This is 24 inches and this is in color number 1. It comes 3 in a pack and I'm using all 3, sis, okay? And I'm only using 1 pack. Oh my gosh, can you guys believe this whole fullness that I got right here is only 1 pack? And I'm going to be using my crochet needle, just a basic crochet needle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be sectioning out the hair just exactly the way I'm doing, guys. Very easy. So it doesn't have to be like in a particular size, the amount of hair you're sectioning out. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the crochet needle and place it in, and then I'm going to take the piece of the crochet hair that I just sectioned out, and then I'm going to place it on the hook, close the hook and pull it out. Once I pull it out, I'm going to take my fingers and place it in the hole. Okay, my fingers are going to be placed in the hole right here. And then I'm going to put the crochet hair through, and then I'm going to twist my fingers just so I'm locking the hair, okay, like I'm doing a knot, exactly the way I'm doing. And then I'm going to take the crochet hair again, place it in, and then pull it out. Oh my gosh, very easy, sis. Anyway, so I'm going to show you guys again. You're going to place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take your braiding hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. And once you pull it out, you're going to take your fingers and place it through the hole, okay? So once you do that, you're going to make sure you take your crochet hair again, place it in, pull it out, and then give your fingers a little turn, sis, okay? That way you have a little knot situation going on. That way you're locking the hair. That way it does not unravel. You have like 2 knots all together. Very easy, sis. Very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. And let me tell you a secret for this style, sis. You want to come as close to your hairline as possible, but you don't want to do your hairline because the hair is nice and fluffy. It's not going to show, sis. It's going to look really nice and natural. It's going to look like, your hair has grown. Miss Tupo1's hair has grown overnight or whatever. I'm going to do a video once I keep them in, once I'm done with the hair. I'm going to show you guys how I take them down. It's easy. When I tell you this is going to change your life, this is going to be quick, this is going to be easy. I mean, you can actually do this on your mama's hair, you can do this on your sister, you can do this on your friend, you can do this on your cousin. As you guys can see, it's already looking nice and full, and I'm telling you, this is only 1 pack, okay? And I have a big head. I wanted it to be really nice and full, so if you don't want it to be this kind of full, sis, you don't have to use the whole pack. You're going to take your crochet needle, place it in, open the hook, take your braiding hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. So once you pull it out, you're not gonna let it go. You're gonna make sure your fingers go through first, and then have that little hole open, and take the crochet hair, the tail of the crochet hair, place it in, and then twist your fingers because you want to lock this hair, sis. Okay, you want to lock this hair down, and then place it in the hole again, and then pull it out. That way it does not unravel. That way it is really nice and, you know, secure. Anyway, while we're still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes! Anyway, so I'm going to show you guys again. You're going to place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take your braiding hair, place it on the hook, pull it out. So don't let it go yet. Just make sure your fingers go through, okay? Opening that hole right there. And then taking your crochet hair, placing it in, giving your fingers a little turn, and then placing your braiding hair in again, and then pulling it out. So I love wearing a side part and the middle part, sis, okay? So what you're gonna do when you get to the side part and the middle part, you're just gonna go very close together. That's all you're going to do. Today's shout out goes to each and every one of my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today. Oh my gosh, you are making a girl's dreams come all the way. What? Yes! All right, guys, you know the hair is big or whatever, but we are going to tame this fro right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my mousse and make sure I apply it to the hair, and you know, that way it lays better, and you know, the volume is not as big as it is in the beginning, sis, okay? So that's all you are going to do. And then I'm just gonna take my scissors and cut the flyaways, sis. So I'm not gonna do too much cutting on this hair because I want it to be big, I want it to be long, I want it to look exactly the way it's looking. I'm just gonna give it a little shape, just a little bit, okay? Alright guys, so once I'm done, you know, with the mousse, I'm just gonna take my Kiss Edge Fixer and lay these baby hairs, sis. When I tell you, we're about to be laying these baby hairs and looking cute out in the street. So I'm using this brush that I got from Amazon. You already know what it is by now. And then I'm going to take my styling strips and make sure everything is nice and laid. And you know, I gotta make sure I use my scarf just to make sure, you know, the mousse and everything is nice and situated. And this is the chick cream scarf from our website. You better check us out, sis, as well. And then I'm going to be using this brush. So you can use whatever brush you can find, just to make sure, you know, you're having this illusion like this hair is growing out of your scalp. So I'm just gonna brush it a little bit just to make sure I'm giving myself a little illusion like it is actually my natural hair or whatever. You know, I gotta make sure the hair is shining. So I'm using this pink sheen spray, okay? And baby, when I tell you this Afro came all the way through, yes, I am living for this fro situation going on right here. Let me know if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying it. Let me know if you guys think this is a hot style right here, because sister, when I tell you I am feeling myself and it is looking natural. Look at the parts right there. Look at my middle part. Look at my side part, sis. When I tell you I am feeling good, okay? And it is so light. It is bouncy. It looks like your hair, sis. When I tell you this video is not even sponsored, but honey, I am feeling good. I love this hair. I love how it came out. Oh my gosh. If you have never done crochet on anybody, if you have never done crochet hair, sis, you better tell your mama you are going to the store and she needs to sit down and you are trying this technique on her today, okay? I'm just gonna pause this video real quick for you, sis. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell as well, because listen, you want to be the first person to notify your cousin that Miss Tupo1 uploaded, and it is a banger, okay? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today. Let's get to 500K, because baby, At this point, it is up from here. But thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.